So we got a new update coming, software update 2022.12.3. It says it'll take about 25 minutes. We're going to turn off the Sentry mode first because it's required to turn off Sentry mode to do the update. I'm not sure why running the update doesn't just automatically turn it off and turn it back on, but I guess it's just so that you know for sure that Sentry mode is off. Maybe that's what it's for. Alright, so update's going to take about 25 minutes, as you can see, and during the process you won't be able to drive or use the touchscreen, and your car alarm may be disarmed. Alright, so we'll just start. Here you can see it's giving me a notification, software update's about to begin. Okay, you can cancel it. So yeah, anyways, we're going to let that go. We'll let the timer run down, and we'll be back. Alright, so it's almost starting. Cancel update is almost done. And there we go. So why is it scheduled? Okay, it's starting now. Good. I was about to say, I didn't set up a schedule for it. I just wanted to go. Alright, so it's installing. 10%. We'll let that run. And we'll be back. It'll probably, again, take about 25 minutes or so. So we'll see you guys when the update's about completed. Alright, bye. Alright, so it's been sitting at 60% for a while. Oh, actually, it just finished. Okay, so let's go ahead and go inside and see what was updated. Alright, since we had the rest of it recorded in portrait mode, we're going to do all of this in portrait mode. Here you can see additional bottom bar customizations, right? Child lock stuff, additional mobile app controls, and new language support. So let's see what they actually added. So you can now add vehicle controls such as defrost, windshield wipers. They already had this. So I don't know if they really added anything. Can I put more things down here? No. Nope, so we still got 5 things. Alright, and then you got the 5, and then you got the 1 temporary one down there. So nothing changed there. Alright, let's go to child lock mode. Now be enabled for single rear door. That's also not new. Additional dog mode, camp mode. Alright, that's also not new. And new language. Actually, I think all of this is from a previous update. I think I had 2022.12.2 or something that had all the same stuff. So nothing changed. Maybe it's just some minor bug fixes if there were some issues or something before. Maybe that's what they fixed. But yeah, I don't really see anything else new here. Child lock. Yep, same thing. Nothing really changed. Yeah, so I don't see any new updates, but maybe some of you guys that didn't get the update before, hopefully you guys get this one. But yeah, other than that, that's all there is to this. Don't see really anything else new. Release notes. Yep, same stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. As you can see, they got rid of the other 2022.12. whatever that I had before, so there's no new update for me. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.